You wake up, look in the mirror, and that little voice in your head whispers, "I'm ugly." It's a painful thought, and if you're feeling this way right now, I want you to know you're not alone. Truly, many of us have moments when we feel less than beautiful, when our reflection doesn't match what we wish we saw. Before we dive deeper, just a quick note. I'm not a therapist, just someone who understands what it's like to feel this way. This video is meant for educational and motivational purposes only, not a replacement for professional for advice or therapy. If you're struggling deeply or these feelings are overwhelming, please consider reaching out to a professional who can help. If you're finding this message helpful so far, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We share content to help you feel better about yourself and navigate tough emotions. Your support means we can reach more people who might need this message. So how can we start to change that ugly feeling? One thing to remember is that a lot of what we consider beautiful is shaped by society and social media. Those flawless pictures we see online or in magazines often involve good lighting, makeup, maybe even filters and photo editing. No one looks perfect, all the time, not even the people we think are perfect. Here's something we often forget. Most people are way more focused on themselves than on judging you. There's this concept called the spotlight effect. It's when we think everyone's noticing every little flaw in us, but in reality, they're not. You might think everyone sees that pimple that makes you want to hide, or that everyone will comment on your bad hair day, but chances are, no one else even noticed or cared, because they're probably worried about their own pimple or bad hair day. We are our own harshest critics. Would you ever tell a friend the things you tell yourself when you feel ugly? If your friend said, "I feel so ugly," you'd likely assure them they're wonderful and beautiful in ways beyond looks. You deserve that same kindness from yourself. Try to notice when that inner voice turns mean. Catch those harsh words and ask yourself, would I say this to someone I love? If not, it's a sign to change how you speak to yourself. Replace "I'm ugly" with something gentler, like "I'm struggling right now, but I'm still worthy and enough." Keep in mind there's so much more to you than what you see in the mirror. Maybe you have a laugh that lights up the room, a talent for drawing, a kindness that makes others feel safe, or a resilience built from all the challenges you've overcome. Those qualities shine brighter and last longer than any physical feature. Your worth isn't measured by a nose or a waistline or a skin blemish. Instead, it's measured by the love you give, the things you do, and the person you are. Celebrate those parts of yourself. Let's talk about your body. It's not just an ornament to look at. It's an amazing instrument that carries you through life. Maybe you don't like what you see in the mirror today, but think about what your body does for you. Your eyes let you see sunsets. Your hands let you create and comfort others. Your legs carry you forward every day. When you start feeling down about how you look, try shifting focus to gratitude for what your body can do. This doesn't mean you'll love every part of your appearance overnight, but it helps you see your body as your ally, not your enemy. When the "I'm ugly" feeling hits hard, sometimes a little self-care can help shift your mood. Not to fix your appearance, but to care for yourself because you deserve it. Maybe take a relaxing shower, put on an outfit that makes you feel comfy and confident, or spend time doing something you love. Listen to your favorite music, doodle in a notebook, or get some fresh air outside. Taking care of your body and mind sends a message that you're worth caring about and that can start to quiet those negative thoughts. Remember, you don't have to deal with these feelings alone. It can help so much to talk to someone you trust about how you feel. A friend, a family member, a support group, or a counselor. Chances are they will remind you of all the ways you are beautiful in their eyes, things you might have forgotten about yourself. Sometimes just hearing someone say they care about you can break that spell of feeling ugly. Feeling ugly doesn't have to be permanent. It's a feeling, not a fact. And feelings can change. With patience and practice, that negative voice can grow quieter, and you'll start to see yourself in a kinder light. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin, because you are unique and valuable exactly as you are. If you found this video helpful, or know someone who needs to hear this, please give it a like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on self-love and positivity. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are more than enough.